Hello, enthusiasts of the digital world. Welcome to our channel, where we explore, review, and uncover the tools that can transform your life. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a product that has the potential to revolutionize your financial journey. Intrigued? Well, you should be. Today, we're diving into the Affincome Training Kit. Prepare to unlock your earning potential. We begin by unveiling what's inside the box. The Affincome Training Kit is not just another product. It's an empowering tool designed to guide you on the path to financial success. As we lift the lid, the meticulous attention to detail is immediately evident. The kit contains a variety of resources, including comprehensive manuals, informative videos, and exclusive resources, all neatly organized and sleekly designed. Each module in the kit is a stepping stone on your journey towards mastering affiliate marketing. The first module, for instance, lays down the basics, establishing a solid foundation for beginners. Even if you're a seasoned marketer, you can use it to sharpen your skills and refine your strategies. But don't just take it from us. The Affincome Training Kit has already changed lives, with numerous success stories to its credit. Here's what a couple of users had to say about their experience. I was a complete beginner when I started, but the Affincome Training Kit has transformed me into a successful affiliate marketer. The kit's step-by-step guidance is like having a mentor by your side, guiding you through the entire process. The Affincome Training Kit is not just a training course. It's a comprehensive package of resources, equipping you with everything you need to succeed in affiliate marketing. Now for the exciting part, we've teamed up with Affincome to bring you a special offer. Follow the link in the description to get your hands on the Affincome Training Kit at an exclusive discounted rate. You don't want to miss this opportunity. In conclusion, if you're serious about boosting your financial journey, the Affincome Training Kit is your secret weapon. It's more than a course, it's a roadmap to financial success. So, what are you waiting for? The links are in the description. Invest in your success today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights into products that can transform your life. This is your host, signing off. Wishing you success and abundance. Until next time.